everybody, Jason Ricci here with a surprise free lesson. Still one coming this Friday. Premieres at 11:15 a.m. Central Time. Today, we're going to take a look at one more simple lick that you can play over some shuffle changes. We're going to do it over some swing changes. So here's the lick. It's going to be 3 draw. You can use a bend on there too, or you can unbend it. 2 draw double bend, 1 draw. So you see, I'm just phrasing it differently. It's all different ways of phrasing it. You can also blow out on the 1 too, because you got to inhale all the time on this lick, so it helps to be able to blow out on 1. It's just a simple lick. First, we'll do it acoustic. D harmonica in the key of A. 3 draw, 2 draw, 2 draw double bend, 1 draw. And I'm gonna vary the phrasing and stuff. Here we go. One more time. Is that one blow? This is a lot like that last lesson I did called One Easy Blues Lick, Endless Possibilities, or One Easy Lick, Endless Possibilities. Difference is, this is a new lick. One more time, the lick is 3 draw, 2 draw, 2 draw double bend, 1 draw. So you got to be able to bend 2 all the way down to that flat 7 or 2 draw double bend. So you can play 3 natural, put a little chord on there if you want. You can do that either tongue blocking or lip pursing. And and then slide down the two draw double bend, one draw. And you can jump up and down, try it backwards, and then down. So I'm just taking it out of order. I'm playing it down the same way, and I'm playing it up the same way. Up, down. And then what I do is I start taking away notes. Three draw, two draw double bend, two draw. So there's all different kinds of ways you can play it. You just get used to doing these notes, and what you do is you don't play any other notes on the harmonica. Don't go up to four draw, don't go up to four blow. Maximize every single imaginable possibility that you can come up with. So there's a little triplet starting on two draw double bend, two draw, three draw. I could do that backwards. So you can see all of the different possibilities just with those three notes. I could take the next three, do the same thing. I have another video on this called triangulating, where I take all of the different possibilities and just move them all in different combinations. They're called permutations. It's like if you had an apple, an orange, and a pear. Rearranging that fruit in all different kinds of ways, right? Every different way. You do the same thing with any three notes on the harmonica. You can hear I was still observing a 12 bar. One of the cool things you can do is in the beginning of the video I said you don't have to use the three bend, but it sure comes in handy on the four chord. Technically it gives you the flat 7 of 4, so it says 4 as a harmony without actually having to play the root of 4, which would be 1 blow or 4 blow. So I can play 3 draw natural on the 1 4 times. And then, hear that? It's like my 3 draw video. So many different possibilities, right? So mess with this. This is a quick video, right? Just to give you guys something in between Fridays, right? I'm trying. All you got to do is learn these notes and rearrange them in any possibility you can come up with, right? Blow out on that one blow, go back up. This week, I got a video on the minor pentatonic scale, right? These notes with that 3 bend are all in that video. So be sure to tune in Friday for more of the same and a whole lot more. Thanks a lot. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Nice to give you guys a little something extra this week. Just reminding you, I do have a Patreon site. That Patreon site is very helpful for keeping these videos going, not only for me, but for other people that can't afford it. If you contribute $1 a month, you're helping me out big time. If you contribute more than that, thank you so very much. Check out my sponsors, the Lone Wolf Blues Company, Blue Moon Harmonicas, Hohner Harmonicas, Harp Gear Amplifiers. I got a website, www.mooncat.org. You can check me out there for tour dates, CDs, t-shirts, all that stuff. Thank you guys so very much for all the continued support. 16 years of YouTube right here. Hundreds of free lessons. Subscribe today. Hit the subscribe button. Be sure to check me out on Instagram. I'm very active there. Very active. It was super fun working with you guys. As always, keep coming back, and I'll see you next time.